In this video, we're going to look at importing multiple LoomDAT files. So the previous video is just handling one specific file. If you want to add a group of LoomDAT files, again we go through the same process: add file, bulk import, and then select EU LoomDAT. What we would then need to do is, first of all, we need to locate those files, and we're looking at LDT files, so making sure the extension of the file is LDT. If it's not, it won't find them. We then browse and pick up the directory that these LDT files reside in. So again, if we go into the online course folder, we can see a whole group of files here. Using the standard convention, meaning a grouping, we type in *.ldt. Open those up, so that's telling the program to bring the lot in from that folder. We then select the preferred type. Now this data is not part of the photometric information. You have to know the type of fitting. This has no bearing on the calculation. It's purely for sorting purposes when you're in the program. These are actually recessed. Again, the characteristics based on whether it's an open top reflector or closed. Referring back to the original single import, when we had the glare indices and the utilization factors box italicized, it's likely as not that these will have the same situation where the manufacturers haven't provided that information. So you can do that automatically with every fitting you import, so that the utilization factors and glare indices are set up. So by ticking this box, this means that then we can use these fittings and the program will calculate the number of fittings required in each space. We then import. That then imports the fittings. So when we close this dialog box, we then go back and we can see all of the fittings in here. So we've imported a group of LoomDAT files, and then it's a case of going into each one, just making sure all the information is correct. And again, the manufacturers haven't really put much in the way of a description. They've used their internal reference. There's no reference, range, name or anything like that on there. So again, that's down to the manufacturers, nothing to do with our data. It's all down to the manufacturers and how they've set these up.